Hey guys, Fiero880, and today we are reviewing the brand new 2015 Volkswagen Golf GTI in a beautiful, stunning carbon steel gray metallic. 6-speed manual transmission, 2.0 TSI dual overhead 16-valve turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with direct injection. If you haven't looked at the brand new 2015 Volkswagen lineup, this is a beautiful example of the craftsmanship and quality that goes into their vehicles. Look at this door panel on the driver's side, along with the leather stitching and the leather that's on the armrest, and also the switches, the precision of the switches, the handle, and also the storage area right below this handle. This craftsmanship continues to all the rest of the doors, including for the rear passengers as well, with the beautiful red stitching, including the leather armrest. As we enter the vehicle, we have our nice key fob, but now we have push start. Push this button and the Golf GTI comes to life. With our beautiful now, we have a nice, easy to read radio communication system, full gauge layout with easy to read instrumentation, and a beautiful soft wrapped leather steering wheel with the same red stitching that is found throughout the seats and on the door panels. We have our buttons and controls for our cruise control center. To the right of this, we have our switches and buttons for our vehicle information system that is found in the center of the gauges. We have our directional signal and also flashers for passerbys, and the headlight switch. Pull it out for your fog lights. Gauge illumination adjustment, and also the power mirrors and power door locks. And then we have that carbon fiber layout throughout the interior. And then to the left of that, we have our power window switches with the lockout option. And then we have our hazards and our radio layout. Now I must admit, this radio layout was very easy to operate and very easy to use. Getting into the menu for your voice activation into the phone, and then below our touchscreen radio we have our climate control center with nice easy to read dials, along with our heated seat switches for our driver's side and passenger seat, giving us multiple settings along with your AC button. And then now to the gear shifter, a nice 6-speed manual transmission with a beautiful leather, soft leather boot with, again, the red stitching. I really like that red stitching. Below the shifter we have our mode switch, we have our traction control switch off, and also our park assist button. 12-volt accessory power outlet, and inside the storage compartment under the armrest, another 12-volt power accessory outlet. Directly above our armrest we have our Volkswagen CarNet with the available automatic crash detection system. We have a cubby hole area for your sunglasses, and also I really like this button layout here for your lighting system, and also your map nav lights for both the driver's side and the passenger as well. And then this huge power tilting and sliding panoramic sunroof. And if there's too much sun for you, simply close the mesh shade. By the way, did I forget to mention it has an incredible sounding Fender premium audio system with 8 speakers and a subwoofer. So now it was time to climb into the back passenger seating area of the GTI Golf. Was there enough room? Now keep in mind, again, I have long legs, but I also have the seat far back to accommodate that when I got into the car to begin with. But still, with the seat far back, there's still plenty of room for me to sit back here. So now opening the rear hatch of this 2015 Volkswagen GTI Golf, we have a nice security cover here to cover your personal belongings when the hatch is closed. We also have a nice little carpet area protecting the main cover area to the spare tire. I like this right here because if you have dogs or spill anything, at least it doesn't get onto the main platform area. Under the main cover you have easy access to the spare tire and jack and lift assist area tools as well. We have our cubby holes on both sides, and we also have a 12-volt accessory outlet back here with also anchor points for child safety seats. And it's just a nice area back here, very large and plenty of storage space. So let's go ahead and look under the hood and see this new 2.0 liter TSI dual overhead cam 16 valve turbocharged engine with the new tuned dual exhaust. So what's my honest opinion over the 2015 Volkswagen Golf GTI? Overall, I am extremely impressed with the quality and craftsmanship that has gone into the build of this vehicle. Very plush, very fine details you can tell was put into this car when it was made, and it shows on all of the new Volkswagen vehicles. Very impressed. Had a lot of fun making this video for y'all.